I don't really cook that often. I actually get very intimidated in the kitchen. It's really something I want to accomplish. I want to make more food for the family, especially for Dea. So today, I'm going to make a family favorite, Dea's favorite, banana pancakes. I mean, we all have to start somewhere. And today, I'm starting with Metro. Kinakabahan pa. How do you crack an egg properly? To those who will judge me, the judgment is on you because I'm already telling you I'm not very good at the kitchen. Kinakabahan. May daming disclaimer. Grabe. Just crack the egg. I did it! I was supposed to add it in gradually. As you can see, it wasn't so gradual. Mix it. It's for Dea.
It's a pancake.
It's a banana pancake.
Hey.
I can see it. I can see it here.
Yeah. You can, ooh. Wow. Okay, we're ready. I'm going to combine a bit of culinary VCO with butter for extra yumminess while keeping it healthy. Dea kasi, she likes the small pancakes. Dea, can we do a big pancake today? Yeah? We'll do bigger one, okay? Ooh! Nasunog na. Wow! 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 Yan ang pancake. Mama's cooking for you. What? Sunog.
Hi.
Perfection. Tadan. Yan. Okay, here. Mmm! Gaya Camille. Try it! Jam.
Bagram. Nabukas na nagiging. Oh, yeah.
Take it with you.